Hello from me, Lazarus. I'm making a special video. Thanks be to God, on April 12th. I managed to release my new book. Introduction to Lazarus IDE, Part 2. Even though here the videos are about websites and this video channel is the one where we deal with HTML, CSS, and how to creating a website from scratch. In this case, I will briefly show what my new book contains. The first part is, Components in Lazarus IDE. Supplement, where I go over some components that I didn't include in the first book. The next very interesting topic is more about working with databases in Lazarus IDE. Here I've included Firebird version 2.5 and Firebird version 5, as well as TSQL connector, a very interesting component, which allows working with various databases. Here we have a unique program with 3 databases, SQLite, Firebird 2.5, and Firebird 5. We also have another unique program, but with server-based databases, MySQL, MariaDB, and PostgreSQL. And finally, I've included 2 logic games. 15, in 3 variants, and bulls and cows. And closing words at the end. And closing words at the end. There is content about working with HTML components in Lazarus IDE. Here in the first part, in Chapter 4, we have something related to HTML and the Internet, first with the iPro toolbar, and then I've also shown some options for working with HTML using other packages from external developers. My book is now available for purchase from the website. The price is €10. That is what I wanted to share with you in this video. Best regards.